live fireworks from Big Ben. Now, this camera's going to zoom into Elizabeth Tower here. There we go.
A warning that there are flashing images involved. Let's head to the banks of the Thames for the countdown.
There's the bells around Big Ben. There wasn't Big Ben yet. You can tell Big Ben, the brother of the Liberty Bell in the US, the Philadelphia one, the one that cracked. They're made by the same people. And there's Big Ben. Here we go. Happy New Year, everyone. Alright, it's only 5 hours to do it, Lizzie. So these are like the traditional just celebration ones. They go off with the bangs of the rings of the bell. And when after the 12th bells hit, the real show begins with the fireworks. And there we go. So I'll be quiet for a minute so you can hear everything.
Snoop around in 2025, shall we?
Check it out now. I got sunshine.
It's been a positively tropical summer.
It's gonna be hot, hot, hot.
Who needs to go abroad when you got weather like this?
I like it hot. But
Apologies, we've gone through an outbreak, I think.
Doubles champions from Great Britain, Wimbledon champions.
Shane Lowry has done it, and on American soil, Europe have retained the Ryder Cup.
An unforgettable year for women's sport in England.
The 2025 Rugby World Cup final. England, world champions!
The Red Roses and Lionesses are victorious.
And still the European champions! The Lionesses go back to back! Overcoming adversity!
Obviously, see the crowd can't see some of the images going on.
Now that is proper English!
Here's what England means to me, the real England. When it's sunny, it's too hot. When it's cold, the weather's rubbish. England to me is a cup of tea. How many sugars? I'm sweet enough. England to me is Caribbean barbers with the sharpest trim. It's Christian neighbours saying happy Hanukkah, mate, and Muslim mums saying Merry Christmas, love. And you think you're seeing flags now? Wait until the World Cup's on. Then you'll know about flags, my son. Because this is what England means to me. It's about loving each other, no matter what colour you are, where you're from, or who your God is. Because this is England. This is the United Kingdom.
if you respect how we came.
Oi, 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 oi.
Happy New Year, Will.
Your attention, please. It is now officially
Yeah, actually doing a good job
tea
this year, I
time.
think.
So let's grab a cuppa and get together.
All together now.
It's better than some of the years I've done it. We actually like linked some of the actual fireworks to the music. I mean, I know New York has the ball and everything. I think the ball was actually up there all year round. New York. Oh, I thought this would be a bit of a different way to see it in the new year. I don't have any plans for this after this. Oh God.
A New Year's Eve in London.
Really? Really? Really, London, did you have to go there?
As we travel the yellow brick road into a new year, let us stand for positivity and hope. Embrace the magic that we all have inside and come together for good.
Yeah, tell me about it, dude. This isn't even British. What the fuck? Wicked wasn't even British.
Happy New Year.
Well, that sounds like the Women's World Cup, everything else, and then we get Wicked. Oh, the fuck? That's the second false finish they've had. Oh, where's pizza? You might recognise that. Oh, by the way, thank you one for the follow on both Kick and Twitch. I missed that one.
So let's put on our classics and we'll have a little dance, shall we?
So the music's a bit of a dodge choice this year. I don't know whether the actual crowd on the shore actually hear the music either. So, well, I don't know whether you heard, this is the largest firework display in Europe, with 12,000 fireworks. Yes. So basically we're kicking out Europe's celebrations with a bang. GG climate change. I wonder whether fireworks actually do have an impact on climate change. between us and China, we're probably the worst. That was a cool effect. The loop around the.
No matter what,
oh dear.
London will always shine bright as a city of hope and a place for everyone.
Max. Too many caps, dude. You're on timed out. Happy New Year, dude. Let me rephrase. Yeah, happy New Year, Max. I need to try and figure out why that's like so antsy. Where are you guys? There we go. There we go, that's better. Yeah, Max, biggest firework display in Europe is 12,000 fireworks. We know how to go for the bang.
Happy New Year.
There you go. Now that's the end of it.